Today we have many technologies to curb a lot of disease in the world. However, as we know that many diseases are still prevalent, and this is because of the technology available cannot go into the end user of people who need it most. And this bottleneck in implementation is the thing that we try to target when we make an implementation research course.
So implementation research and attending a course in implementation research is essential, especially for researchers, implementers, program managers, and all those concerned with health system bottlenecks.
Because this is an IR course, it's the research looking at the bottlenecks of the implementation of the health program. It's a very practical things to do.
For this course, I think it's very interesting for me because it related with my job.
Well, actually it's a very organized course, starting from the invitation when we register, when we submit our application and then submit our abstract. There's a clear deadline.
This 4-day workshop course on implementation research really helped me to understand the key concepts, to understand what and how this research domain is situated within health systems research and policy research.
I really appreciate this implementation research because besides we get knowledge, we also get many network from each country. And then besides that, the facilitator is well trained for us.
Implementation research is now priority for WHO TDR. However, this kind of methodology is not really yet provided by many public health institutions.
It's very practical. This course gives us a very structured and systematic way of thinking on how we can improve the healthcare. So at the end, the benefit is the people itself, the community itself.
So to understand really how it is so context driven, how it is demand driven, how it's a co-creation of knowledge along with implementers and policymakers was key to me and essential, especially since I've been trained as an epidemiologist and now work within the health system.
The most important thing that I learned in this course is how important implementation research is in the toolkit of researchers, especially those who are working closely with bringing about policy change. I think they will really benefit from it.
Again, the benefit is a lot.
This course has been an excellent experience for me.
We could get many beneficial.
The benefit that I got from the course, I think I got many lessons from our facilitator, and they give me a lot of experience and knowledge to me.
The faculty, of course, are all excellent teachers.
The facilitator push the participant in order to be confident to talk, to speak, to another word.
Facilitator, they are all the experts in this IR issue.
The training curriculum and also training format will give participants hands-on experience how to develop scientifically sound proposal to do implementation research.
It's an opportunity for you to identify the bottlenecks, discuss it among your groups, and build and hold the key concepts of IR.
I really appreciate the efforts that have been put by the staff, especially the faculty who have been really kind and very encouraging in the questions that we ask and ensure that we understand all the concepts of implementation research.
It is very applicable with my work, especially we are working in the area with limited resources. We found so many, let's say, obstacles during implementing or monitoring the program.
I could share to my students a methodological subject to gain a new knowledge, especially in implementation research.
I got a lot of knowledge from this course because the course gave me a lot of knowledge for how to analyze of the my data.
This is really very good course, and in future we will utilize this learning in many other aspects.
So we can know what is the problem in each country, especially in health system.
Is the fact that we come with a proposal, and so there's an opportunity not just to learn, so it's not an academic exercise alone, but that we instantly get to apply it as well. So along the way there's a whole lot of group work, a whole lot of interaction within the group to brainstorm and think about how we can refine the proposals that we brought.
The course teaches you how complex implementation research in itself is and how different it is from the other research methodologies that we have been using so far.
So this course gives us a very systematic, structured way of thinking and approach how we can deal or how we can give input and give feedback and improve the system itself.
This training will help implementers, health researchers in developing countries, particularly in the low resource setting, to have skills to do the implementation research.
And I think it really brings in the real life complexities that are involved in policy making.
And then the participant is coming from different countries, so it's a good opportunity to learn, to share experience from others.
People who have come from different countries, different contexts, so that sharing and learning was also an excellent experience.
I hope in the future more people with a different background can use this opportunity.
I hope the course should be open more for the other person that would like to know how to conduct the research as me.
Event is very located in a nice hotel.
The logistics were perfectly arranged and everything was really conducive to learning.
I would like to share this and to recommend this course into my friend in University of Sriwijaya.
All in all, it was an excellent course and I wish it complete success, and I hope it continues to communicate the key concepts of implementation research.
In Cambodia, should be applied this course for next year because it's very interesting if you are a researcher.
In future in our research we can implement this learning from in different countries as well as in my country in Bangladesh.
In countries where health is a privilege, where tropical diseases are still epidemics, in low and middle income countries we need hands-on experiences as implementation research.
I hope after I go back to my country, I will bring this knowledge that I got from this course to my country and to develop my study research to be good.
And we hope that by the end of the training, the participant will have ready to be implemented proposal for your perusal.
So I would like to thank for the organizer for selecting us, for selecting me and to join and participate in this course.
I'm extremely happy to be part of this regional course on implementation research here in Yogyakarta, Indonesia.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Big applause for us.